Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix YouTube search history not showing issue. With that being said, let's get started. Firstly, all you need to do is that update your YouTube app. To update your YouTube app, go to the Play Store and search YouTube on the search bar. Click on update if it is showing you an update. If it says open instead of update, it means that your YouTube app is up to date. Turn off pause YouTube search history. Open your YouTube app. Click on profile in the top right. Click on settings. Click on history and privacy. Turn off the feature called pause search history if it is turned on. And finally, you need to reopen the YouTube app. After that, I hope your problem will definitely gonna fix. If not, try method 3. Clear cache data of YouTube. Go to the settings, click on apps, click on manage apps, search YouTube on the search bar, tap on it, click on clear data, then clear all data. Next thing you need to do is that you need to restart your phone. To restart your phone, press and hold your power key. You will see a reboot or restart option. Then tap on it. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.